The wrong city can crush your weekend, ruin your commute, and burn you out fast. Most people don't even realize it until they've moved to the wrong place until it's too late. Let's save your family from that mistake. Here are the top 5 family-friendly cities in Macomb County, Michigan that people are moving to right now and why they work for real life, not just Instagram. If you're relocating to Michigan, starting a family, or just looking for a better place to raise your kids, then this video is for you. My name's Alex Klott with the Knybel Real Estate Network here in Chesterfield, Michigan, and we're diving into the cities that offer the safest neighborhoods, great schools, family fun, and homes that you'll actually want to live in. And if you stick around, I'll share one waterfront gem that most people overlook, but it could be the best family move you ever make. Mcome Township, the modern suburban sweet spot. Macomb Township is what many families dream of. Safe streets, newer homes, and great schools. But what really elevates Macomb is the access to family-friendly hubs like the Mall of Partridge Creek. Now yes, it's technically in Clinton Township, but it's the weekend go-to for most Macomb families. You'll find trending stores like Apple, Lululemon, Sephora, and popular hangouts like Starbucks. Plus, there's plenty of things to keep the kids entertained with an outdoor play area, splash fountains, and pet-friendly walkways. And yes, you can actually bring your dog shopping with you. Macomb isn't just about houses and shopping though. It's about food your family will actually crave. When it comes to family dining, you've got options that really deliver. They're endless. Let's start with Bubba's 33. This place is a home run for families with hand-tossed pizzas, made from scratch burgers piled high, and fresh-cut fries that actually taste like fries. The vibe? Lively but not chaotic. There's TVs everywhere, super fast service, and the kids menu actually gives options beyond just chicken nuggets. It's the go-to spot for sports nights and birthday dinners. Another local favorite is Tina's Country House Tavern. It's cozy, casual, and just one of those places where families can go grab burgers, sandwiches, and comfort food all at reasonable prices. Now, if you're looking to step it up for a special night, you've got Testabara Kitchen and Cocktails. This place is fantastic. It's an elevated Italian, modern vibe. They got wood fires pizzas. They're unreal. It's got the perfect char. They got handcrafted cocktails, some of the best in the area. It's perfect for date nights, celebrations, or even private event spaces. I was blown away by the food and the service was fantastic. I highly recommend it. Now, what's there to do other than shop and eat in Macomb Township? Macomb Corners Park, it's not just a green space. It's a family fun destination full of baseball diamonds, inline skate rinks, massive playgrounds, and walking trails. It's where your Saturdays start. We got Macomb Township's Rec Center and the skate park right in the heart of Macomb. The Macomb Township Rec Center is a family favorite. You can swim with the kids year-round thanks to the huge indoor pool, complete with a water slide. It's got a lazy river and some cool play structures for young swimmers. Parents love it because it's safe, clean, and super affordable. Plus, right outside, you got a well-maintained skate park, perfect for teaching kids to scooter or skateboard or just hang in a parent-approved spot. And for my golf lovers, there's golf courses galore. Macomb is a dream if you love to hit the links. Within about a 20-minute drive, you've got Bellow Woods, BT, Cracklewood, Hickory Hollow, Sycamore Hills, and there's at least another dozen public golf courses that are open 7 days a week that you can hit. So whether you're looking for par 3 rounds, junior leagues for your kids, or shooting a full 18, it's all there. Number 2, Shelby Township, your outdoor family paradise. Shelby Township is built for families who love the outdoors and community spaces. Beyond Stony Creek Metro Park's hiking and swimming, you've got Yates Cider Mill, a must-visit fall destination where you can walk the trails, eat fresh donuts, and take those classic family pumpkin patch photos. When it comes to shopping, Partridge Creek is just minutes away, but Shelby Township also has their own farmers market, a weekend tradition with fresh produce, handmade goods, and live music that's perfect for strolling with the stroller. For food, families rave about Vince and Joe's Gourmet Market, a beautifully locally owned Italian market where you can grab fresh pasta, family-sized meals, and gelato. It's great for weekend picnics here at Riverbend Park. And speaking of riverbends, it just isn't a park with trails. It actually has an archery range, a disc golf course, and some of the best sledding hills that Shelby Township can offer. Number 3 is New Baltimore, the waterfront hidden gem. New Baltimore offers that rare waterfront charm with small town warmth. Beyond the marina and the beach, we got the Walter Mary Burke Park, which is a daily hotspot and home to Michigan's largest American flag. It's got an awesome beachfront playground, shaded picnic areas, and free summer concerts on the lake. It's like a vacation spot you really don't have to leave. For local eats, you've got to try Nap City Garage. They got amazing pizzas, sandwiches, and their outdoor space is really cute, and you can hear live music in the summer. It's pretty cool. If you're looking for a nostalgic breakfast spot with old school prices and a cozy setting, make sure you check out the Anchor Bay Pit Stop Diner. Shopping, now New Baltimore doesn't have a massive mall, but that's part of its charm. It's all about the boutique shops and helping out the locals. A fun family outing with my kids that we like to do is we hit the New Baltimore Farmers Market. It's really more than just fresh produce. It's a full community hangout. You got to really picture local vendors with the fresh fruit, homemade jams, breads, handmade soaps, and even fresh flowers that your kids can pick out for the kitchen table every weekend. It's pretty cool. They got live music, food trucks, and sometimes they even got pop-up events for the kids like painting and crafts. It's perfect Sunday morning tradition, so grab a coffee, grab the stroller, let the kids pick their own snacks. Plus, Bay Ram and Fish Fly Festival has been celebrated here in New Baltimore since 1965, just celebrating its 60th anniversary. It's weird, fun, but it's where family memories are made. You won't want to miss the fireworks. Number 4 is Chesterfield, growing and family focused. Chesterfield is growing fast, but still has that safe, family-friendly feel. One major family draw to Chesterfield is Brandenburg Park on Lake St. Clair. It's a gorgeous waterfront park with a splash pad, boat launches, a fishing pier, and plenty of space for picnics and birthday parties. If you like shopping, the Waterside Marketplace is the heart of shopping here in Chesterfield, with family staples like Target, Kohl's, Five Below, Best Buy, and Dick's all within one spot. It makes back-to-school shopping a breeze. For food, the locals love the Twisted Rooster, scratch-made comfort food. They got a kids menu that goes beyond chicken tenders and mac and cheese. It's pretty casual, fast, and it's a family favorite. The mix of growing subdivisions and easy lake access give Chesterfield its unique balance, space, safety, and a real community vibe. Clinton Township, which is central, affordable, and full of options. Clinton Township is for families who want smart value and central access. Beyond Partridge Creek, Clinton Township's George Memorial Park is a family favorite for walking paths, fountains, and a rentable pavilion for birthday parties, weddings, or just anything that you desire. For food, check out the Pantry Restaurant. It's a beloved breakfast spot where weekend wait times are a badge of honor. Their stuffed French toast, their cinnamon rolls are a kid magnet. It's great. Clinton Township also has CJ Barrymore's. It's a massive fun zone. It's got go-karts, bumper boats, a full arcade, laser tag, outdoor rides, mini golf, a driving range, and even zip lines. It's the perfect weekend getaway and energy burner for kids. The central location of Clinton Township makes it easy to bounce to Macomb, Shelby, or even down to Detroit and get you more house for your money without giving up on the amenities. So whether you want newer subdivisions, lakefront sunsets, outdoor adventures, or the most bang for your housing buck, Macomb County has the perfect fit for your family. And now you've got the inside scoop on where to start looking. If you're thinking about moving this year or next, shoot me a DM or drop your questions below. I can help you find the best schools, the best neighborhoods, or even the best local pizza joint. Before you go, what's the deal breaker for you and your family? Is it the commute time, school ratings, having a beach nearby, or something totally different? I'd love to hear your must-haves. Let's chat in the comments below.